Hey, I'm Henry Carter. I'm at one of our newest houses, 324 South Shore Drive in lovely Antioch, Tennessee. The air always smells good in Antioch. I'm taking this video myself, so it'll be a little awkward, but hang with me. I'm Henry Carter with Carter Rent to Own. I'm at 324 South Shore Drive in Antioch, Tennessee. It's a big 3-bedroom, 2-bath, lots of floor space, real open floor plan. I mean, it's great. You're going to love it. You're going to want it. Your kids are going to want it. Your mom and daddy, they're probably even going to want it. So hang on and let's see what we got. We're starting off in the kitchen because that's where most people hang out and spend most of their time. Lots of cabinet space. Everything's nice, new, clean, sparkly. Big pantry that opens in there, and I'll just kind of pan around. Stoves provided. Doesn't have a microwave. Got a nice new refrigerator. Got a dishwasher. Got a little island there. And then as we go over here, you've got your eating area. You've got a back door to a rocking chair front porch. And then you've got a nice washer and dryer room. So you just shut the door and you don't have to hear those things rumbling. Let me see if I can get you outside to the back porch. And I'm trying to do it with one hand, and here we go. All right, we're in business. We are looking at the back porch now, and as you can see, plenty of room for rocking chairs just to come out and hang out. This house also has a really nice oversized carport. That's my vehicle sitting there. It's vinyl sided, so there's not hardly any maintenance that's required. And let me lock this sucker up real good. So we're going to go on through. Again, we're in the dining area now. We started at the back of the house, the washer dryer room, and it does have some shelves. Got a big kitchen. Looking straight ahead, that's the den and living room area, and I mean, it is large. Let's go all the way from one end to the other. You got lots of room for big screen TVs, couches, oversized furniture. Look, you've even got a coat closet going to the front door. So let's go back into the master bedroom. I'm not showing you that yet. Big old master bedroom, and all this is brand new carpet. No bare feet have ever touched this floor. A little dark because I've got the blinds closed, and this house does have energy efficient central heat and air. They did the closet upgrade in here. It's even got the smart box if you want to put all the smart equipment in here. All right, now this is what I've been waiting for. The master bathroom. Big jacuzzi-like tub. You've got your own shower. New toilet. Why new toilet? Because in Carter Rent to Own, we don't believe in putting old nasty toilets or leaving old nasty toilets in your house. If you're going to spend big money for a big house, for a big time, you deserve a new toilet. And that's what we do. We've got you a new toilet in this house. Big oversized vanity, his and hers. Lots of storage area. So let me just kind of take you around again. Hey, how you like that Christmas sweater? Even though it's not Christmas. Okay, coming on around. We're going back through the master bedroom. Big master closet there. All new floor covering. New paint, smells new. Looks new. Big living room. We've got the second bathroom here, and it's a large bathroom. Looks nice, clean, fresh. And got bedroom number 2 here. And that's the closet. Got bedroom number 3 here. Got a closet. Then got another little closet here. So, who am I? I'm Henry Carter with Carter Rent to Own. Go to our website, www.carterrenttoown.com, or call me, 615-202-5228. These houses don't last long. There's a housing shortage. Everybody knows that. By the time you call and you talk about it and you ask somebody about it, the house is already gone. Call me. I'll get you in really quick. You can make your decision quick. You'll have the house of your dream. Do it for your kids. Do it for your family. Create a legacy. The way to make money and generate wealth is through real estate. Quit flushing your money down the drain when you can rent to own for less. 615-202-5228. 615-202-5228. I am Henry with CarterRentToOwn.com. God bless America.